So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I run this Revit installation. This is a Revit content here. I'm going to be showing you. This is a Revit content. So for example, I'm going to right click and I'm going to run administration, and you will notice that this is going to disappear when I try to run an administration. You see preparing, and you notice that it has disappeared. Now this is what I do. Instead of going through the processes of going to the buyer or going to the level, maybe going through all these places, so this is what I do. See, what I do is that I'm going to right click this, then I compress it to the same file, or I compress it to, or I run it at administration. Then the reason why I'm not seeing where I should compress it is because so you see I've already compressed it now to here. So when you compress it, you're going to extract it. I can extract it here too. Then you see I have extracted it. So what I do is this is a former one I've extracted anyway, but I think this one should also work. So after you extract it, let's say for example this one I've extracted it here, and this is a copy one. So what I do is that when I say extract, I copy it here, then I open my Revit. Okay, when you open the Revit, you try and load component so that you can locate where you can. This is a project I'm working on anyway. Then you click on here, then you come here, then let's just look for a location. I'm just trying to find a location where we can save it. Let's say for example this desktop. Okay, then we'll come here, or we can quickly go to my PC, a computer, then we'll go to local disk. Okay, so if we click on local disk, what do we have? I think it would be nice that we also leave it here. So when you come back here, you come to the local disk, come to local, you right click and paste it on local disk here, and it will paste. So I'm going to cancel it because I already installed it. Okay, so when you paste it on local disk, you click it, and you see that here is the library. Here is the library I just pasted right now. Now you go to your Revit. When you go to Revit, then let's go back to our local disk. You can see that now they are right here. They are right here. These are what we pasted right there. So all you need to do is just come here direct, and you click X64 until you get to the A and US. Then this is your libraries. Okay, then you go back again if you want to, and you also have here, you can go back to Revit 21 because I am using 21 and 23. You go to libraries, then you see they are all here, and your windows, store cabinets, all of them, they are all here. So instead of going through the process of going to add this, all those add this, instead of going here to install or open file location, let me open your installing. So all you need to do, you just go direct here, you right click, you compress, you extract, then you copy this. When you copy this, then you go to your local disk computer. You just go to your computer C drive, you just paste it here, then you open here, then you see your library, then you go to Revit, then you load family. This is how it's as simple as that. This is how you can get your Revit library content after you must have downloaded it. So all you do is just download download the document, the library from Google Autodesk website, then you install it and right click. That is all. Please, if you find this tutorial very helpful, or just please like, subscribe, and share this video so that other people can see it, because I'm going to be dropping tips like this every day.